Hi, I'm Becky, the Regional Sales Manager from ETech Machinery. Today, I'm excited to introduce the EGM-80 CNC. Now, let's start with the story behind this model. The EGM-80 CNC is derived from a long-time bestseller, the EGM-350 CNC, delivering the same outstanding precision and stability in a smaller, space-saving footprint of less than 4 square meters. Perfect for workshops focused on high-accuracy small part production. It combines compact design with uncompromised performance. To ensure rigidity within this compact design, the EGM-80 CNC's mechanical structure was optimized using FEA, which is finite element analysis. Despite its smaller footprint, the machine achieves outstanding stiffness and stability with a net weight of around 3,000 kilograms, effectively controlling vibration and maintaining precise performance during demanding grinding operations. Now, let's take a closer look at its key specifications. The EGM-80 CNC offers a swing over table of 240 millimeters. It can handle both internal and external grinding up to 80 millimeters in diameter. The maximum grinding depth is 80 millimeters, and the maximum workpiece length is also 80 millimeters. If your part happens to be slightly longer, just send us a drawing and we will find the most suitable grinding solution for you. Next, let's look at the parts that make this machine so capable. The EGM-80 CNC uses a servo-driven workhead for high torque and smooth speed control, ensuring even wheel wear and consistent accuracies. Our standard machine features 8-4 spindle with a 5-inch hydraulic 3-jaw chock and a swivel wrench from plus 45 to minus 10 degrees for flexible multi-angle grinding. For easy angle and length adjustments, a manual swivel design is used with an optional linear scale and digital readout display for added precision. Now, let's move on to the axis design and spindle performance. The X-axis comes standard with a 0.05 micron linear scale, guaranteeing long-term accuracy and repeatability. The Y and Z-axis spindles measuring 90 millimeters in diameter, powered by high horsepower motors that deliver both strength and stability during grinding. A current indicator also comes standard, allowing operators to easily confirm wheel contact during setup or operation. Next, let's see how smart software brings all of this together. The EGM-80 CNC is equipped with our advanced iGrind conversational software. It simplifies programming and allows multiple grinding cycles, including internal, external, phase, and shoulder grinding, all completed with a single setup. This reduces setup time, improves consistency, and helps operators achieve stable, high-precision results faster. Because at ETech, we believe time is money. To enhance accuracy and efficiency, I would like to highlight our most popular optional accessory, Marker's Touch Rope T18. It provides the function of maintaining the same grinding amount or same size on each workpieces. Together with iGrind, these tools enable closed-loop accuracy, where measurement feedback automatically adjusts parameters to maintain consistent tolerances and surface finishes.